in New Orleans. They call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I'm one. Tell your children not to do what I have done. Spend your lives in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun.
Wowee, look at this room. This is like a master. So it looks like there was a bunch of little girls here. You know? Yeah. Stain the lights. Does that not open?
Interesting.
Try. Just, it's locked. Well, now, why would that be? And, oh, well, this is spooky. This is very spooky, a sticky shower thing.
It's gotta be, yeah, it's in that shape, got a fireplace, a bathroom, closets.
Oh, Hello Kitty. So there's another little girl here.
I tried.
Interesting. Ew, icky bug. Okay.
That's a stink bug.
A what bug?
A stink bug.
Oh, that sounds.
If you squish them, they usually stink.
Aw, look at this cute little thing. A little girl lived up here too.
There's another circle.
Looks like Olivia was her name. Oh, how cute. That's cute. I'm guessing there's just a bunch of girls here.